This is how to transfer Pi coin to Pi wallet. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to fund your Pi wallet. That is, maybe you decide to buy Pi from a crypto exchange and decide to transfer the Pi to your Pi wallet for safekeeping. Maybe you don't want to keep it in that exchange. You can watch this video to see how you buy Pi on any exchange of your choice. You can buy Pi on Bitget and some other exchanges. And you can also transfer Pi from a friend or family member. They can transfer Pi to you. So this video will walk you through how to fund and transfer Pi to Pi wallet. Don't forget that instead of buying Pi, you can get it for free. All you just need to do to mine Pi for free is to download this app and continue to launch it every 24 hours. And make sure that you refer your friends and family members. And you make sure they do the same thing too every day to launch it, and you'll be able to get Pi for free. The more people that you invite and they mine every day, the more you get Pi for free. So you can only join Pi. It's on invitation basis. You can use my link, which is below the description of this video, to start getting Pi for free using your phone. You can see my total balance here, and my available balance is this. So I want to increase this. But how do you deposit Pi to your Pi wallet? For the purpose of this video, I'll be using Bitget. Bitget is a great crypto exchange where you can buy Pi for keep and you can exchange Pi to cash. Don't forget to take advantage of Bitget rewards. All you need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. You stand to earn these rewards in deposit and this. All you need to do is to sign up and use my referral code to transfer Pi from Bitget to your Pi wallet. Let me show you my asset. You click asset. You can see my asset. I currently have 16 Pi that are worth almost $11. Because I want to transfer the whole of this Pi to my Pi wallet, you will tap withdraw. I want to withdraw this Pi to my Pi wallet. You can see these are all the assets I currently have. So I'll be withdrawing this Pi to my Pi wallet. Since I'm withdrawing this Pi to Pi wallet, you tap Pi. I'm not doing internal transfer. That is, maybe if you want to transfer to another person, that's when you use internal transfer. But I'm transferring to my Pi wallet. So I will click on chain withdraw. So I'm sending Pi, because it's send Pi. So to send Pi, I need the Pi wallet address. So I have to go and pick Pi wallet address from my Pi app. To get your Pi wallet, you have to download both the Pi crypto mining app and the Pi browser. You need the two to access the wallet. If you tap Pi, this is Pi. To pick Pi wallet address, you click here, you tap it. You can launch the Pi browser from your Pi crypto mining app by clicking this place, Pi browser. You can also access the Pi browser directly by clicking the app, but that is how you access Pi browser using the Pi crypto mining app. So to access it directly, you just click Pi browser. Inside the Pi browser, you see wallet. You tap your wallet. Don't forget, I want to copy Pi crypto address so that I can deposit to my Pi wallet. You have to unlock this Pi wallet by typing in 24-word passphrase inside this box, but I will not use that. I will unlock using my fingerprint. I will tap it. You can see it's loading my wallet. This is my Pi wallet. This is my current balance, but this is the available balance I can withdraw right now. So, but I want to add to this amount. So to add to this amount, I will have to copy my Pi wallet. To get my Pi wallet, this is my Pi wallet address. You click copy. You can see I've copied it. You go back to your exchange. This time Bitget exchange. We are in Bitget exchange. You paste the Pi address here. You paste. After pasting the wallet, you select the Pi network. You can only transfer this Pi through the Pi network, and you can see the gas fee is 0.04 that will be charged. So accepted. And you can see here the minimum Pi you can cash out is 13.7 Pi. I will click, or you select the total amount you want to send to your Pi wallet. You tap all. I will tap all because I'm sending all the 16 Pi. You can see this is the network fee. This is the total amount I will get in my Pi wallet. So to withdraw, you will tap withdraw. You can see this is amount I will receive. The Pi is going to my Pi wallet address. Ensure you check this Pi wallet address, double check to be sure it's correct. If everything is okay, I'm sending through Pi network. I'm withdrawing 16 Pi from my Bitget account, and this is what Bitget will charge me. I will click to confirm. I will do the security stuff and get back to you. You can see I've inputted the security authentication and withdrawal order submitted. So withdrawal order has been submitted, and you can see it's going to this wallet address. I used Pi network and withdrawing 16 Pi. This is the amount I will get. I can view withdrawals. The next thing you need to go and do is to go and check if the money is inside your Pi wallet already. This is my Pi wallet. The fund is not there yet, but you can continue to refresh. By the time you check withdrawal detail, you see that it's still going through validation. So it's still validating. It has been submitted, it has been approved, it's currently processing. You have to be patient a bit before you go and check your Pi wallet if the transfer is successful. And you can even save the address copied here on your exchange. You can see one withdrawal sent. So the withdrawal has been sent. You can see that the money is already here. And you can see that the Pi 16 Pi has been withdrawn successfully. You can also check your asset, click asset. You can see there is no more Pi here. Pi has been withdrawn and transferred to my Pi wallet. So you now know how to transfer and fund your Pi wallet either from any exchange or from a third party. Don't forget that you can get this crypto for free. All you need to do is to download the app and you can sign up using my bonus code which is below the description of this video. Thank you.